Welcome back to another video, fans. Today I'm going to tell you about guys how can you connect earphones in realme phone. Guys, you want to connect your earphones in realme phone, so you can connect it. In this video guys, I'm going to tell you about how can you connect earphones. So before starting video, fans, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos, fans. So guys, now time to start video, fans. First of all, what will you have to do to connect earphones? So guys, click on phone setting. Then guys, click on bluetooth, on your bluetooth, and guys on your earphones. So, earphone has on, guys. Refresh it, friends. So guys, you can see earphones name. So guys, click on earphone. So guys, when you will touch it, guys, it will connect automatic for 3 and 4 after 4 and 5 seconds. So you can see guys, my earphone has connected, and guys I can use my earphone while watching movies, listening song, etc. guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earphones in realme phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.